Hi, this is Aaron at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Going to be doing a walk around video here of our 2018 Silverado 3500. Just stopped raining, so it's a little damp, but all in all, this thing is a cream puff. Garage Queen traded into us. Really representative of that in the condition. So here we go, starting with the exterior. Just going to point out any blemishes. In the case of this one on the exterior, there is very little to point out. The main one being this two small, rock chips, one right there on the rear fender and one just right above it. But really, going around it, that is the biggest blemish in the paint. There is a little bit of rust on the receiver, which you'd expect from having the receiver in there, but beyond that, bumpers, tailgate, and leer topper all in perfect condition. Brand new tires on this puppy as well. Looking on the underside, again, this gentleman that traded it into us kept it in a heated garage. Throw it on the underside. Into the back. So onto the passenger side again, going around. Nothing really to point out on this side on the exterior. Mirror caps and mirrors, glass, all in good shape. Bumpers, everything looks really good. Moving on to the interior, same deal, really reflects the nice upkeep that this vehicle had. So the door jamb, floor mats, seats, everything in really nice shape in this thing. LTZ, a few things this thing has that not even modern LTZs have. I do like they have the movable pedals there, kind of a neat feature. Dash, gauge cluster, all that in great condition. Nothing to really point out in the way of blemishes there. Open up the sunroof shade here. Like I said, just got done raining. I'll pop the hood here so we can see the engine bay. Real clean engine bay. Duramax diesel, obviously. I'll go ahead and start it so you can hear that. Okay. Real strong Duramax. All right, kill that puppy. But again, passenger side seats, dash, everything really good. All right, show you the passenger seats and door jamb. These individuals didn't have kids that were still in the home, so rear seats really never got sat in at all. Really great condition on the floor liners and everything. Leer topper, super nice on this one. It's a nice one. And again, the back to reflect. Doesn't look like it had much going on back here, but lined bed from the factory in great shape. That is a super nice feature. All right, and then going around again to the rear passenger door. Same deal, seat backs and everything doesn't look like they were kicked to death or anything like that. Pretty much new condition back here. And passenger door on the front. All right, well, there you have it. That's our 2018 Silverado 3500. Do appreciate the interest. This is Aaron for Taylor & Sons signing off.